Welcome back. This is the quarterfinals in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Belair Prep on 6 and Foundation Prep on 4. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it's between Janae Smith of Foundation Prep, who's up against Jaden Green of Belair Prep. Janae, we begin with you. What's the sum of 19.87 and 24.79?
44.66.
That's right. What's the place value of the 7 in 3.0178?
Thousandths.
That's right. What's the HCF of 14 and 63?
7.
That's right. An article priced at $1,700 is sold at a discount of 10%. What's the discounted price?
$1,530.
That's right. What is 2 and 2 over 3 minus 1 and 1 over 6 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
One and 1 and a half. Wait. 1 and a half.
That's incorrect. Jaden, would you like to try?
Yes, please. 1 and a half.
1 and a half is correct. The incorrect answer came first from Janae. Jaden, we're over to you. What's the sum of 25.68 and 17.63?
43.31.
That's correct. What's the value of the 3 in 5.038?
300ths.
That's right. What's the HCF of 18 and 45?
3.
That's incorrect. Janae, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 9. Jaden, an article is priced at $1,200 plus GCT of 15%. What's the price of the article when the GCT is added?
$1,380.
That's right. What is 4 and 7 over 8 minus 3 and 1 over 4 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
1 and 5/8.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Javon DePass of Foundation Prep, who's up against Jonathan Davis of Belair Prep. Javon, what's the name given to oil which is refined to make petroleum?
Crude oil.
Or fossil fuel. That is correct. What's the name for the transfer of heat in a liquid or gas?
Heat transfer.
That's incorrect. Jeduthan, want to
Yes,
try?
Miss Convection.
That is correct. Javon, starting with the producer, arrange this food chain in the correct order. Frog, snake, flies, flower, as in Flower, flower.
Flower, fly, frog, snake.
That's right. The LED is a type of bulb that uses less energy. What does LED stand for? Question passes. Jonathan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's a light-emitting diode. Javon, what's the name for undigested waste that animals excrete?
Feces.
That's correct. Jonathan, we're now over to you. What's the name for the buried remains of prehistoric plants and animals?
Fossils.
That's right. Which unit is used to measure the energy content of food?
Calories.
Or joules. That is correct. Starting with the producer, arrange this food chain in the correct order. Fox, plant, rat, grasshopper.
Plant.
Question passes. Javon, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Grasshopper, rat. Bird.
That's incorrect. It's plant, grasshopper, rat, fox. Jonathan, what's another name for LED bulbs?
Light bulbs.
That's incorrect. Javon, want to try?
SCQ light-saving bulbs.
That's also incorrect. It's energy-saving or energy-efficient bulbs. Jedathon, what's the name for animal waste that is partly broken down and used as fertilizer for plant growth?
Humus.
That's incorrect. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's manure. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language is between Shaquana Wesley of Foundation Prep. Shaquana is up against Coyote Mitchell of Belair Prep.